Hey, I watched your vlog video.
Oh my gosh, Diana, what have we
Oh my
started?
god, that's gonna
What
be
have
their
we
favorite.
It kind of
That's gonna be their
tomato.
favorite sticker from now on.
Wait,
Oh my
Diana, this
god.
is too much. This is too much. I don't know what's gonna happen now. It's like looks medyo real. I'm like, I can't deal. So tired.
Girl, listen.
Salamat, Rika. Diana's favorite chips. Oh no, piatos. Well,
I watched your baking vlog.
Wait. It was supposed to be like a 20-second clip I was gonna add into a different vlog, but then I just ended up like singing the whole time. I'm like, oh fuck it. Oh, sorry, I didn't say that.
That's
Like,
okay. That's
making
okay.
into a 5-minute vlog, I was like, whatever. People can learn to make cookies.
How was your cookies? Masarap.
Sobra. As in, like, I'm not just saying that they're really good. You should make it. It's really good.
We don't have an oven here.
Oh, talaga? You can
Yung oven namin dito, sobrang old-fashioned. Hindi yung parang electric na, ano.
actually, I
Parang,
never had an oven in the Philippines either.
mm-mm.
But you can get little small ones, I think.
Oh, nga. Like microwave-sized ones.
Yeah. Mag Christmas gift sa nanay mo. Oh, wait. Salamat sa ipin.
Thank you sa ipis.
Oh,
Thank you sa ipis.
oy, kahit aga, may 140 viewers pa din, di ba? You guys are early
Oo.
bird.
Kakagising nyo lang ba?
Oo, nag-amusal kayo.
Oo, kumain kayo dyan.
Mag-amusal ka na. Wait, kumain ka na ba, de?
What did I eat? Wait. Oo, kumain na ako. Longganisa. Kabanatuan longganisa.
Sarap yan.
Longganisa is the best.
The other day, me and my mom.
Sige, go.
Longganisa?
Yes, longganisa. Do you know what that is?
Yeah, the other day, me and my mom went to a Filipino restaurant, and she ordered that, pero for dinner. And I looked at it, I was like, it looks like breakfast, diba? Like, yung sausages, rice, garlic rice. Sobrang sarap.
Ang sarap, no?
And I got, because I think there's only like 1 or 2 Filipino restaurants dito sa Dunedin. So my mom was like, oh, I want to take you there. And I got a kari-kari. Pero, yung ulam was seafood. So it was a seafood kari-kari. It was the first time I ever had that.
Oh, I remember you love kare-kare.
Yeah. I like peanuts. So I got that. But I ended up trying my mom's longanisa. It was really nice, like sweet.
Oh, the one that you tried was sweet. Kasi there's 2 kinds. There's sweet and then there's the garlic one, the salty garlic one.
Anong gusto mo? Matamis or maalat?
I like the salty one more, the garlic one. Kayo ba? Anong gusto niyong longganisa? Sweet or garlic
Thank you,
one?
John.
Masarap din yung sweet, pero mas...
I was looking online and a lot of them were saying, oh, it's like 6 p.m. It's like 6 a.m. here in Dubai or like all these different times. Like, no, they're all up. They're all saying garlic. Oh no, it's a mix. Sweet, garlic. Oh.
Masarap din yung longganisa ng Kabanatuan.
Salamat, Wogi! Salamat! What's vegan or lukban? Is that in class?
Vegan is in Ilocos. It's a town in Ilocos. Their specialty is their longganisa din.
Oh, talaga?
Diba?
Hindi pa subukan. Oh, pala. Let's share the stream na ito. Let's all do it at the same time.
Share this stream.
Let me
We're gonna
copy.
do this or that later.
Okay, I'm gonna share it to Twitter now. I'm still here, but like, I think I'm frozen.
Yes, you're frozen.
Diba? I noticed that, so now I'm just like, make sure to pause on like a cute face.
Oh, you want to see how you look like now? How you look like frozen? Wait, I'm gonna screenshot this.
Yeah. Live na kami. Okay, just sending this little tweet. Diana, you gotta retweet that, you know?
Wait.
Or make your own tweet. Good job, Kajan Frankie. Phrase na. Opo. Wait, that was funny that, oh my gosh, I just noticed Diana's frozen. She's frozen. She's like, I'm gonna screenshot it.
How do I look frozen?
I'll send sa'yo. It's funny. So like, pabebe, like, diba guys?
Bebe.
But you guys, does she look like this?
Ayan.
This is what you look like there. You're like,
Talaga? Nakaganon ako?
oh, no, not pace, but like, you're like,
I don't remember posing for... Ikaw kanina, may send ko sa'yo.
thank you, Camera, sa baboy. Baboy?
Bambo. Ayun.
Oh, thank you, Woogie, sa Robinson's back.
There's so many new stickers, di ba?
Diba? Every time I come on here, it's like, ano? Like, I never seen these before. Oh, salamat sa perfume, JO7. Avon. Oh, yung mga advertisements dito, ha? Diba? Ano ba?
Grabe dati, sobrang uso ng Avon, no?
Oh,
Sobrang...
Oh, thank you, Frankie.
Thank you, universe. I feel like I'm in slow-mo.
Like,
Medyo maba-
aga pa.
Medyo slow-mo ba ako? Ayan, okay na.
Oh, you mean on the screen. Akala ko yung utak mo. Ay, salamat. Thanks, you guys. Kumira. So,
Thank
guys,
you.
when we hit 50... No, I'm just joking. Okay, pwede ba? Well, let's be like Diana. Let's be like Diana at Fitville. When we hit...
Frankie, no!
Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Okay lang. Thank you,
Gosh.
Anna.
I guess I'll send a flying kiss. That's what that's one of the stickers.
Yeah, guys. Now we do some hip thrusts.
Grabe siya, oh, you're bullying me now.
Joke lang. You know, I always support kita. Diba? Or what about the other week when you were doing your last Fitfield stream and I was just like sending goodnight things and you...
Oo nga, but you never said hi.
Kasi pangit ako. I couldn't say hello. Everyone would be like, sino yan? Ibad siya. Hindi palaging handa.
What did you eat? What did you eat, Frankie, for lunch? Oo nga pala.
Tagalog na lang po.
Ah, sige. Anong kinaya mong lunch? Anong tanghalian mo?
Oh, yung tanghalian ko, hindi... Oh! Actually, yung nanay ko, galing sa trabaho para sa tanghalian lang. Kaya, magdadala ko ng pizza sa Domino's. So, kumain ko ng 2 slices, yung karne, tapos, keso sa loob yung crust. Oo, sobrang taba ako.
Wow, ang galing!
Tapos, kumain ko ng cookies that magluto ako. Tapos, magkape. Actually, this is my second cup of coffee. I have no idea why I'm drinking it. I don't need it, but I had an iced one, and then I just had this one because I wanted something to... Oh!
I forgot my coffee downstairs. I'm gonna get it now, real quick. I forgot it. I made one, and then I forgot it on the table. Wow. I'm just gonna get my coffee real quick, you guys.
Ay! Salamat! Salamat sa I was sick for like a week, but hindi COVID, huh? I literally just had like I wasn't used to the cold weather, and it just, you have like phlegm in your chest, and it's like, so.
Oh my god, me too. I got sick for a week. Then.
Me too! Oh, thank you, FA Berries. Wait.
Baby Sean was sick for maybe 3 days. He nagkalagnat siya for 3 days.
My shake.
Yeah.
Oh, Baby John, okay ka lang na?
Sean, stay here. Mommy, go to
Baby
mommy.
John,
Wait lang.
to the, what's it called?
Ano yun?
Ano tawag dito ng TikTok?
Ano yun?
Ano ba yan? enjoy lang.
Favorite na
TikTok-
nila yung English.
Yung TikTok dati, that yung ginagawa ni Baby Chon. It really hurts.
Oh my God. How did you see that?
You
How did
didn't
you-
show me. You showed me. Cherry.
Oo, grabe. Nakakatawa eh.
Is he
Sobrang
still
lang.
there?
No, he went outside now with mommy. I put matcha in my coffee today for a twist.
Matcha.
Or my matcha powder. Kasi di ba, remember we used to order the matcha espresso fusion? And
Mama! Oh my god.
oh, I missed that, so I tried to make
It's
one.
been so long that I literally forgot that goes together. That I had a matcha espresso fusion. I feel like that was such a Filipino thing we ordered. Like, not Filipino thing, but like something we did in the Philippines that I haven't done it here.
Filipino thing.
Matcha's Japanese. But, well, you guys are awake.
Oh my God! Thank you.
Yes. Hello, Clarky Pie. Hello, Julang. Are you guys eating with us, drinking coffee? Someone nagdidiri si ate sa ipis. Wag yun.
Nagpaakyat po kayo.
Oh, guys, we reached 50 minutes. No, I'm kidding.
Okay na, friends. Frankie's
Okay
gonna
na! Maglaro
open
na
her
tayo!
mission for 50,000. Yun na.
And for 1 million pesos, Diana will take her clothes off.
I will take her top off for 1 million diamonds.
No, Diana will do it for
Take it off.
Diana will do it for 1,000 diamonds. Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Yun lang. It doesn't take much. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna twerk in here for...
We'll get kicked off. Remove.
Frankie's gonna do the WAP for 500K, so...
The bottom to the top. Hello, Diet Coke.
Oh my gosh, NTRCB has joined the conversation. Do you know what NTRCB is?
Oh my gosh, I need a cough. I'm gonna mute.